Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing slimes like this, which is all melty, to slimes like this that are nice and stretchy. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bells. So, let's get started. So, I have this and all the other ingredients that I'm gonna do. So, I got this blob, which I don't like. Okay. Let me zip it all the way. Ew, that needs to go in there, not where I am. Okay, so cut the corner. Let me cut the corner. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Here we go. I'm too scared. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's so tiny. More. Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, maybe I should cut it with my right. Look how slowly it goes. There we go, there we go, there it goes. There we go. So it's melted slime. And now my job is to fix it. Okay. Okay, that's really, really melted. Okay, that's really melted. Ew. Okay. Nah. Ew, I need my other slime to get that off of me. Oh, you're much better. This slime is really good. Ooh. Okay, now it's time to put the borax in. Okay, come on. Okay. Oh, gonna mix with my spoon. There we go. Okay. Better. Right. Oh. I swear, if this slime does anything really bad, like that. Okay, it's a little watery inside. That's not good. But something wrong. Ah. Okay, looks like it's kind of more sticky than usual. Okay, come on. Work with me here. Yite. Okay, a little more. Okay. Okay. Now, mix. Whew, this is bad. Ew. I'm not much of that slime person anymore. When I was little, I used to really love slime. But now, I do have a lot of slimes. But I am a slime person if it's not sticky. That's just it. Okay. Should I dye it yellow? My hands. Okay, there you go. Okay. Something a while. Oh, this is so hard. It's so windy out here. I have to hold the phone. Look at that, guys. Look at all of this. I mean, look at it. See how satisfying this is. Okay. It's so thick. Okay. Look at this. It's so thick. So thick. Something I want, don't want. Okay. Ooh. Should I go in my hands? Okay. Ew. 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 Oh my gosh. This is so... Maybe my mom is right. She hates slime. She absolutely hates it. Okay, here we go. This is starting to get to the good part. Or maybe not. Look at this. Look how better this thing is. It's way better. This one's really soft. And then, now, I'm showing you my other slime that I created. No, not created, but made. That's good. But this one's a little harder. It's so windy out here. But this is really good. I think that this one is way, more softer, and this one's more harder. Yikes. And this one kind of rips lately a lot. This was like, bloop. Oops, I did it again. This one's pretty good. Okay, now I'm gonna mix them together without any of the beads. Okay, there's only 2 beads in this one. 1, 2. Okay, no beads. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little of this. No beads. Okay, let's mix them together. See how good this is. Come on. later more. It's a good green. I like it. Now it's time to mix them together. It's kind of like a... Okay, I'm scared. Okay. I'm gonna miss you guys when you're not together. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. I'm scared to see what happens. Ew. I hope this doesn't come out bad. I want it to come out the way. That's good. It's so big out the back up. I love it. It's like so stretchy. Guys, this is a pretty good slime. I love it a lot. Hear that crunch. So good. This is a very good slime. I love it a lot. This is the best slime video. I love it. Oh! Okay, I wanna... Ew, that's my hair. Okay, now I wanna see if it fits in this little thing. Imagine it did. Okay, I need every little bit of it. Come on. Get in there. It's a little off, but I love it still. I still love it. Please, for me, get this video to like 10 likes at least. At least 10. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 it's like a treat. I wish this fit in here. But otherwise, that's gonna be it for today's video. Whoa, this is so awesome. And I hope you guys loved this slime. And stay awesome. Love everybody. Stay home. For God, I'll save y'all. I made a big cake. So, don't forget to subscribe. And I will appreciate it really much. And this is gonna be the end. And I made a big cake for you guys. Bye.